What's up, guys? So that's the 11. Okay, so this question actually we can just see we don't have to do the calculation. We just see the question and we can get the answer. Sine inverse x is pi over 6. Then the acute angle value of cosine inverse x is what? So remember that the sine and cosine they are differ by 90 degree. So that means sine inverse that means sine pi over 2 minus some angle will equal to the cosine. So the answer is just pi over 2 minus pi over 6. So the answer is B. The answer is B. Pi over 2 minus pi over 6. Okay, that's it. So 12 is also easy because sine squared plus cosine squared is 1. So we just do the constant e integration. So the answer is e times pi. The answer is B, pi e, pi e. Yeah, that's it.